Hello everyone, it's me again, Sweetie Rax, and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to make another unboxing video. But before that, if you are just new to my channel or it's your first time to see my video and you like it, please subscribe and click the bell all notifications if you like to be notified every time I upload a new video. So today guys, this time I'm going to unbox Pajama, a set of sleepwear that I bought on the internet. Before that, I have something to tell you or a story about it because 2 weeks ago we went to the shop of Victoria's Secret, and the pair of pajama that I like to buy was only available from the size medium and large. But me, I was so crazy to have this color and this pajama, so I insisted to buy it, and I asked the sales lady. So she looked at me and she said that no, it's too big for you. And I didn't know why. And she said the size that fit for you is small or even extra small. But me, I didn't listen. So I continue and then I bought it. But because of the pandemic, there is no fitting room available. So we were not allowed to fit in the shop, so I bought it and tried it at home. Unfortunately, the pajama was too big, the medium, so we returned it, and the cashier that told us that you can order it in the internet on their official website in France. So there it go, we tried to order and there was size small. So now we got it. So here it is guys. I got the order from the internet. So we are going to open it and I will show you how it looks like. How to open it? Guys, here is the paper, the folder, and there you go. It's like this. There is a letter. No, it's just another 20% discount in the next order if I order again. I'm going to keep that. And there is my pajama. There is Victoria's Secret, and there is here. The size is small. And there is this belt like this to bind the folded pajama, and it's like the pajama of the bananas in pajamas. It's a long sleeve like this. It seems it's still very big, and there is the letter V here. And that's it. I can't wait to wear them. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.